Okay, guys, so heading down to my chickens again because hearing a lot of hawks lately. So we need to see if everybody's okay. I hope they are because I don't want them all dying. But yeah, everybody's okay. Yeah, everybody's fine. I think. The rooster is named Floppy because his comb flops everywhere like this. Okay, anyway. Where is she? There she is. This one right here. This one that I'm touching right now. She's a sweet chicken. Well, let me see if I can get her. Hey, Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Yeah, her name is Pumpkin. Oh, there's Bitey. Well, the reason why we call her Bitey is because she pecks us all the time. Now, back to Pumpkin over here. Hey, Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Come here. Come here, Pumpkin. 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 Well, obviously she doesn't want to. Wait, did I just... Oh, okay. I took a picture. Oh, okay. Anyway, do you guys want to see my turkeys? Well, here they are. The girl is Reba, and the boy is Blue. The male one is the one that has the long nose-looking thing. I don't know what it is. And then the one that doesn't have that is a girl, and her name is Reba. Yeah, I know it's from... I forgot the show's name, but it's from a show. I know it is. So, if you guys see anything in the sky, like a big bird or something, please let me know in the comments, because I don't want my chickens to die to a hawk, because I've heard like 3 or 4 of them out here right now. So if you guys see anything, let me know in the comments. Now, back to the video. So, what I was gonna do is I was gonna show you my chickens and all this stuff, but I guess I'll show you a few more things. Oh yeah, one more thing. We are building a house. As you can see, this is our house. It's not done yet, but it will be soon. Oh yeah, here it is. There's this giant hole right here. I have no idea where it is or what it is, sorry, but yeah, there's a giant hole down here. I have no clue what made it. I have no idea what's in there, but alright, so anyway. Let's see. There's where a few of our chickens used to go, but one of them died in there by something. I have no idea what, but something killed one of them, so we had to move them down to the big pen. That way they wouldn't die. Here's our shed that we use to store all of our items in that we don't need in our teeny tiny camper over there. And well, I'm not sure if there's much else I can show you, at least in this area. Yeah, here's what I call a black widow spot. I've seen a black widow in here, but they usually do, but they are usually in there. So, here's the laundry room. Hey, there's just a lizard right there. Wasn't there just a lizard right there? People watching this right now please let me know. Was that a lizard? I mean, you might be able to see it in the corner of the video, but I swear I saw a lizard. Oh yeah, also, here's my dog Roscoe. Hey buddy. What you doing? Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Oh buddy. Calm down. Yeah, I know you're on YouTube. Yeah, I know. I hope you like it. It's your new surprise. It's your surprise, okay? So you're on YouTube now, okay? Oh. He's a good boy. He's a good boy too. I mean, sure, he might bite one or two of our chickens just because they're getting in his food. But would you want somebody getting in your food? No, I wouldn't. But here's an ant mound that I'm about to kick. There you go. You can see some ants. There you go. See the ants. Sorry, that was probably random, but I mean, I don't really have anything else to show you except the inside of it. But hold on, I'll get behind you. Hold on, I'll be right. So guys, I think I'm gonna do a face reveal right now. Now I might sound a little young when I post this, but I'm actually older than you think. But I'm not gonna tell you that info. But anyway, 3, 2, 1. Here's the face. Hello. I don't know why I'm doing this. Hello. Now, please don't call me like trash and ugly in my comments. I just look like this. Holy moly, there's a wasp. There's a wasp. No. No, I don't like that. No. Sorry, I thought I was rudely interrupted by a wasp in my face reveal. So yeah, this is what I look like. Anyway, I guess this is the end of the video. So, peace out, subscribe, hit that bell, and that way you don't miss out on any more future videos. So, bye. Peace out. Blah, blah, blah.